Hello, this is Seth 11 here, and today I'll be showing you a Encon ceiling fan. This is the ceiling fan in my dad's house. Here's the chain that says Encon on it. Very nice. Obviously the lights are on. It has 4 100-watt incandescent bulbs. I'll let you take a look at one of them. Alright, let's start with low. Very slow low. It's really slow. And let's do medium. I was trying to keep myself on the couch so I don't fall off. It does blow a pretty good amount of air. And now we will turn it on high. I can't reach the reverse switch. So here's high. I think. Yeah, this is high. We'll turn off the light. Okay, there it's off. I think it blows a lot of air. We'll take a look at the top. I gotta turn the light back on. If I can get it. And off. Watch it slow down. Once again, I cannot reach the reverse switch. Very nice fan. There you have it. The ceiling fan. The Encon ceiling fan. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm wrong, please tell me. I will put this fan in the title. It's an Encon. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Seth. I'm signing out. Bye.